Now we are going to see the word problem 4. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? I'll repeat. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. So I'll repeat once again. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay, so to stitch a shirt, they need 2 meter and 15 centimeter of cloth. So out of 40 meter, that means length of the cloth is 40 meter. Okay, to stitch a shirt, that is 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. So what is the question? How many shirts can be stitched? So how many shirts can be stitched? Number of shirts. How many? That is called. That is what they asked. So how many shirts can be stitched means number of shirts to be stitched. Okay, that is what they ask you. And how much cloth will remain? That means cloth will remain. The remaining cloth is how much? That is what they asked you. Okay, so length of a shirt is equal to 2 meter and 15 centimeter. So these two are different units. Okay, so we have to convert into a single unit. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meters is equal to 2 into 100, you can get 200 centimeter. And also you have to add the what centimeter. So meter is a what is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. So you have to convert meter into centimeter, that is bigger unit to smaller unit. So bigger to smaller means you have to multiply. Okay, multiply. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. You convert 2 meter into what centimeter? 2 meters convert into centimeter. So 2 into 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter means 2 into 100, you can get 200 centimeter. Already 15 is also in centimeter. So that is what you have to add with that. 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, you can, if you add together, you can get 215 centimeter, you can got it. So sorry, you will get it. So 215 centimeter, you can get it. And after that, length of a cloth is 40 meter. So if you convert this also you have to convert. So 40 meter is, if you convert 40 meter into centimeter, again I will tell you. So meter into centimeter, so multiply. Bigger unit to smaller unit, so bigger unit convert into smaller unit means you have to multiply. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter means 40 meter, 40 into 100, you can get what? 4000 centimeter. So here 4 and also 0, 40. Again you have to add the 2 zeros. So how many 0? 4. After that you can get 3 zeros, you will get. That is what? 4000 centimeter. So you will convert all the two measurements into the same unit. Okay. So these two measurement these two measurement convert into the same unit, a single unit. So this also centimeter, this also centimeter. Now therefore number of shirts to be stitched, that is what they ask you. How many shirts can be stitched? That is what, how many shirts means, therefore number of shirts to be stitched. Therefore number of shirts to be stitched. That means you have to what? Divide. How we are going to, because here 4000 centimeter, that is length of a cloth, and length of a shirt, that is 215 centimeter. For a single shirt, that this much of what measurement is needed, 215 centimeter is needed. So length of a entire cloth is 4000 centimeter. 4000 is going to divided by 215 centimeter. 4000 centimeters divided by 215 centimeter. I'll repeat, 4000 centimeters divided by 215 centimeter. You can get number of shirts to be stitched. Okay, so 4000 is divided by 215. You can get this answer. So this is, so first 1 tens 100, your 1 tens 100,000. So this is compared to this is a what? This is a dividend and this is a divisor. So you have to take 400, because here the divisor is 215. That is what you have to take 400. So 215. So 2 times means 5 2s are 10, carry over is 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, and 2 2s are 4. So it does not come, because here 400, here 430. Okay, so it's not practically possible. So you have to write 215. So 215 into 1, you can get 215. The remaining is what? That is 0 minus 5, you can get 5. And 0 minus 5 means you can't subtract, so you have to borrow from here. So this become 10, and after that it will become 9, and this become 10. So 10 minus 5, you can get 5. 9 minus 1, you can get 8. So the remaining is what? 3. 3 minus 2, you can get 1. So after that you have to compare these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers, the 185 and 215, you have to compare. So 185 is a smaller number, so you can't divide. So you have to bring down this number 1850. So just count. Okay, 215 into 6, you just calculate. 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 3 9, and 6 2s are what? 6 2s are 12. So it is less. So again we have to do. So you can get 215 into 8. So 8 5s are 40, 4 carry 4, and what will get it? That is 1 8s are 8, and 8 4s are 12, 2 carry over is 1, and 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. I'll repeat once again. So 215 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 0 carry over, that is carry over. I'll write, otherwise you can use the fingers also. 8 5s are 40, and carry overs go to the top. 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry over is 1, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. I think so. 215 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 4, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 4 what? 9 plus 4 13, carry over is 1. So 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 9. 19 is not practically possible, because 1935 is greater than this number. So it always, whatever the number you are going to write down, so it's lesser than this number. So 1720 is the right number. So what is the number? You have to write 8 here. So 0 minus 0 and 5 minus 2, you can get 3, and after that what you will get? That is 8 7, remaining is 1. So 130. So 130 centimeter is the remaining cloth. This is how many shirts to be stitched? That is nothing but, that is 18 shirts. How many shirts? 18 shirts. It's the right answer. So remaining cloth, the remaining cloth, otherwise we can write one more, cloth will remain. Therefore cloth will remain, that is what? 130 centimeter. So this is the single unit, so you have to convert like this. So 130 is divided by 100, you can get what? That is 1 meter and 30 centimeter, because this comes under in meter and centimeter. That is what? So I already told you 130 centimeter. This centimeter is converted into meter. Centimeter is converted into meter. That means, centimeter is converted into meter, because I have already told you 1 meter is equal to what? 100 centimeter. Now 100 centimeter is equal to what? 1 meter. So 130 is divided by 100 means you can get what? These two zeros. So you have to take down the last two digits. So that means 1 meter and 30 centimeter. So 1 tens. Okay, 1 tens. You have to bring down the, you have to what? Take down the last two digit. Last two digit means that is 130. That is what I tell you. I'll repeat once again. 130 centimeter is divided by 100. So you just what? You just you just take it out last two digit. That means 1 tens. So 1 meter and 30 centimeter, because if you want to cancel the 0, you can only 13 by 10, that means 1.3. So that is what I told you, 1 meter and 13 centimeter. Better you can do one like this only. So 130 centimeter is converted into 1 meter and 30 centimeter. How could you convert? Because I have told you that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 130 if you divide by 100, you can get what? You have 100 place how many zeros? 2 zeros. So you have to what? Take down the last two digit. You have to take down the last two digit means that is 0 and 3 you must take it down, that is 1 meter and 30 centimeter. That is already 1 meter and 30 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 130 means 100 plus what? 30. So this 100 centimeter you can consider as 1 meter. You know that. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this 30 centimeter as it is will come. That is what? 1 meter is equal to what? 30 centimeter. The answer is 1 meter and 30 centimeter is a remaining cloth. Otherwise 130 centimeter is a remaining cloth, or a cloth will remain. So how many shirts you are going to stitch? That means therefore number of shirts to be stitched. That is what? How many shirts can be stitched? How many shirts can be stitched mean therefore number of shirts to be stitched is nothing but 18 shirts. That is 4000 is divided by 250. I have showed to you that is 18 shirts. That is number of shirts to be stitched is 18 shirts, and cloth will remain. A remaining cloth is 130 centimeter, or else you can write or 1 meter and 30 centimeter. This is the right answer for the question, and this also answer because they ask you 2 questions. So 18 shirts is one answer, first answer, and second answer is 130 centimeter or 1 meter 30 centimeter. These two are the answers. So they ask the 2 questions: how many shirts can be stitched, that is 18 shirts, and how much cloth will remain, that is 130 centimeter or 1 meter 30 centimeter. This is the right answer for the question. But this question they have 2 answers.